Hi, it's Miss Ishman here from Kynard at Blue Eagle Academy. I want to talk to you guys today about some different note values and how we can put those note values together to create rhythms. And if we add pitches to the rhythms, you can make a song. So let's get started. Let's review eighth notes, quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. So first, let's get a steady beat going. I'm going to use this handy dandy tool called a metronome. And it's going to keep steady beat for us. Here's what it sounds like. Here you guys move to the steady beat with your hand. Think to yourself, how many beats does each note value get? Think to yourself, how many beats does each note value get? Are you ready? Let's start with a whole note. So we're going to clap a whole note. And this is how we count in my classroom. If you do it a little bit differently at your school, that's fine. As long as you're giving that whole note 4 whole beats, 4 complete beats. So let's count. 1, 2, 1, 2, clap and count. 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4. So that's one whole note. Let's do 4 whole notes back to back. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4. 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 So now I'm going to play 4 whole notes on the saxophone, and I want you to clap along. 1, 2, 1, 2, whole notes go. Did I give each one 4 beats? Yes, I did, because whole notes. Let's talk about half notes. Think to yourself, how many beats does a half note get? Half note. If a whole note gets 4 beats and a half note is half of a whole note, that means it gets 2 beats. So let's practice half notes. I think you guys got this. So in my class, we count them 1 dash 2, 3 dash 4. 1 dash 2, 3 dash 4. So I'm going to play for you 4 half notes this time. And I want you guys to clap and count along. 1, 2, 1, 2, clap and count. Did I give each note 2 beats? Did you clap 2 beats per note? Great job. Next, let's talk about quarter notes. Kind of like when you have a dollar bill, $1 equals how many quarters? 4 quarter notes equal $1 bill. So that means that a quarter note is worth 1 beat. So in my class, we count quarter notes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to play for you 8 quarter notes this time. And I want you to clap along. 1, 2, 1, 2, my dog might bark. I think that was 8. I wasn't really counting, but I hope you were. So, next we have the eighth note. Eighth notes, they get half the note length of a quarter note. So there's 2 eighth notes inside a quarter note. So I'm going to play a bunch of eighth notes. In my class, we count them 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if this were our steady beat, and I were clapping eighth notes, I'd play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up, down, 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 up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now I'm saying down and up because if you're tapping your foot to the steady beat, when your foot is down, that means you're saying a number. And when your foot is up, your toes are up in the air, that's when you're saying an and. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Those are eighth notes. That's how they go. So my song uses eighth notes, half notes, and whole notes, as well as eighth note, half note, Nope, no eighth note rest, only whole rest and half rest. I want you to figure out where am I playing eighth notes, when am I playing half notes, where am I playing whole notes, and then when am I doing a whole rest or a half rest. So I'm going to keep the metronome going to help you out. So you have to be a musical detective and figure out where am I playing which kind of note. Now this is a song that you might recognize, and I'll give you a hint because I'm probably going to count my rest out loud. I'm going to whisper them. Are you guys ready? Let's see if you can apply your knowledge of standard music notation to being a musical detective while I play. 1, 2, 1, 2, detect the notes. So could you guys hear when I played eighth notes? If you were tapping your foot or clapping along, you could hear it. So what kind of rest did I do first, if you were listening? I said 1, 2, 1, 2. You might hear my dog. 1, 2. I rested for 2 beats. So a rest, that is 2 beats. A rest is musical silence. That would be what kind of rest? A half rest. And then I played 3 and 4 and. So those kind of notes would be eighth notes. Great. And then I did 2 more half rest, some more eighth notes, half notes. Now, if you're listening, I didn't play a whole note that gets 4 beats at all, did I? Listen again. See if you can hear me play a whole note. I think I said half note. I meant a whole note. Do you hear a whole note in this entire passage? Let me put the metronome on again. One, 2, 1, 2, ready and go. Did you guys hear any whole notes? How about you comment down below? Did I play any whole notes during that song? Also, comment down below if you can name the movie the song is from. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of whole notes, half notes, and eighth notes. I had to think. And how they sound, their note values, and how we count them. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to playing more songs with you and have you guys being musical detectives, decoding the different musical elements that I'm using. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we look forward to seeing you guys face to face, hopefully soon.